Are khakis ruining your outfits? Khakis are a wardrobe staple, but it's easy to fall in a rut and look like a generic employee. Here are 4 easy ways to keep khakis from ruining your outfit. But first, don't forget to like and subscribe. First off, pay attention to fit. Look for a slightly fitted look with a straight or subtly tapered leg, but not too skinny. For an oversized look, choose a more relaxed fit. Next is picking the right shirt. Skip the colorful polo and a jumble of mismatched colors and go with neutrals instead. Pairing khakis with a black t-shirt is an easy, casual look. An untucked white shirt gives instant vacation vibes. For work, khakis and a blue button-down are a well-worn cliché. Mix it up and try subtly patterned shirt instead. Next, shoes make a huge difference. For a casual look, sneakers pair well with khakis. For smart casual, a pair of streamlined sneakers or brown boots are a good fit. For business casual, brown dress shoes are the safest choice, while black shoes are a bit controversial and can look too heavy and formal. To pull off black shoes, look for casual styles like loafers, match your belt, and if possible, incorporate some black in your shirt. Finally, layers are the critical step to elevate your look. A jacket in a complementary neutral can be a practical and stylish addition, or play with proportions and try a looser, more relaxed style. Pair with a classic sweater for a preppy look, or with a textured sweater for more relaxed feel. Feeling bold? Ditch the neutrals for neon orange or pair your khakis with suspenders for retro vibes. Thanks for watching and let us know if you're pro or anti-khakis in the comments.